Okay, this is the problem where I ask you to make Pascal's triangle. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. It says make the first 8 rows through row 8, and it tells you that row 0 is the top one. So I'm going to go ahead and make this triangle, and I'm going to start at the top with a 1, and this is the n equals 0, which is row 0. It says the top 2 rows contain only 1s and are considered rows 0 and 1 respectively, 0 and 1. So I'm going to go ahead and do a 1, 2, 1, a 1, 3, 3, 1, and here I'm adding up the 1 and the 2 to get a 3. Here I add up the 1 and the 3 to get a 4. 3 and 3 is 6, 3 and 1 is 4, and the 1, this is n equals 2, n equals 3, n equals 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yikes. Okay, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Let's see if I can do all these. 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, and 1. I haven't made any mistakes. 1, 8, 28, 56, 70, 56, 28. Same numbers on the way back down. 8 and 1. Okay, this is n equals 5, n equals 6, n equals 7, n equals 8. Write the sum of the numbers in that row. Okay, the sum is 1. Here the sum is 2. Here the sum is 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4. Here the sum is 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, which is 8. You can see that the sum is doubling every time. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 10 is 16, and I have the same number on the other side. 16 plus 16 is 32. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 15 is 22, plus 20 is 42, 52, 57, 63, 64. And etc. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 21 is 29, plus 35 is 64, and we double that, and we get a sum of 128. Finally, for the last one, 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 28 is 37, plus 56 is 87, 93, plus 70 is 163, plus 56 is 169, 209, plus 28 is 229, 237, plus 8 is 245. I added it wrong. It's 256. Thought I could do it. In any case, the sum is 2 raised to the nth power. N is 5, 32 is 2 to the 5th, 64 is 2 to the 6th, 128 is 2 to the 7th, 256 is 2 to the 8th, 2 to the 4th, 2 to the 3rd, 2 squared, 2 to the 1, and 2 to the 0. Okay? And we know that the summation of the CNKs from k equals 0 to n is equal to 2 to the n, in other words, where the elements of Pascal's triangle are these CNK values, and they are called the binomial coefficients. Okay, that's problem 6.